How to connect FundedNext to MetaTrader 5. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into your FundedNext trading account on MetaTrader 5 on both desktop and mobile. So I'm going to show you how you can select the correct server, enter your login details, and get connected quickly so you can access real-time charts and trade access. So first of all, you're going to open the MetaTrader 5 application. Right now, I'm doing it on iOS device. If you're using your computer or using any Android device, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, open MetaTrader 5 application, then head over to settings here at the bottom right, and then you're going to click on new account over here. Once you do so, simply head over to the search bar and type in FundedNext and press search. And now you'll be able to see this is FundedNext Limited. Click on it. So first of all, you're going to select your server. After that, you're going to type in your login details such as login and password. Once done, you're going to head over, click on sign in over here. If your credentials are correct, your FundedNext account will be easily connected to MetaTrader 5. As easy as that, that is how you can connect your FundedNext account to MetaTrader 5. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.